The highly anticipated Nothing Phone 3 is getting closer to its official debut, sparking excitement among tech enthusiasts. Recent leaks suggest that the long wait may soon come to an end, with reports indicating a potential launch in July. Although the company has yet to reveal any official details, leaks and rumors have offered an early look at what the new device might bring to the table. While nothing has been confirmed at this stage, all signs point to a significant upgrade over its predecessor, keeping eager fans on the edge of their seats as they await further announcements. A breathtaking new concept design for the Nothing Phone 3 has just emerged, and it is nothing short of spectacular. This fresh look brings exciting changes that could redefine the brand's design language. Stick around as we dive into all the thrilling details, and if you want to stay updated on the latest tech innovations, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out. Unlike previous iterations, this concept design introduces a fresh take while still preserving Nothing's signature transparent back, offering a clear view of the internal components. However, the layout has been noticeably refined, making the device look more polished and futuristic. One of the most eye-catching upgrades is the redesigned camera module, now featuring a triple lens setup arranged in a sleek square formation reminiscent of high-end flagship smartphone. This shift not only enhances the phone's premium appeal, but could also signal significant improvements in photography and videography. Additionally, the beloved glyph lighting, a defining feature of the Nothing Phone lineup, remains intact, but appears to have undergone potential refinements aimed at boosting its usability. Whether it's added customization, improved brightness, or new functionalities, this tweak could make the lighting more than just a design element. It might become an even more practical tool. If this concept is an accurate preview of what's to come, Nothing is making a bold move to push its unique aesthetic forward while embracing enhancements that could elevate both design and performance. What are your thoughts on this latest concept design for the Nothing Phone 3? Are you looking forward to its official release? Let us know your opinions in the comments below. Over the past few videos, we've showcased multiple design concepts, each bringing something unique to the table. However, the final design that Nothing will ultimately choose remains a mystery. That said, we believe the strongest contender so far is the one envisioned by David Jojua. His concept stays true to Nothing's signature glyph lighting while introducing subtle yet impactful modifications that give the phone a refreshed identity. The most noticeable upgrade is the addition of a brand new triple camera setup, seamlessly integrated into a horizontal camera bar. This change not only enhances the device's visual appeal, making it look more polished and futuristic, but it could also improve overall functionality. If this concept turns out to be the real deal, it will offer an exciting evolution of Nothing's iconic design language while pushing the brand forward with practical innovations. Google pioneered the horizontal camera bar design with its Pixel smartphones, establishing a distinctive and recognizable look in the industry. Now emerging leaks suggest that Apple may be incorporating a similar design philosophy into its upcoming iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max models. If these reports prove accurate, Apple's flagship devices could showcase a revamped camera layout reminiscent of the Pixel series. This potential redesign indicates that leading smartphone manufacturers are continuously experimenting with fresh design concepts to enhance both visual appeal and practicality. By adopting such innovations, brands aim to stay ahead in an ever-evolving market while catering to consumer preferences for aesthetics and advanced functionality. Nothing might consider incorporating a bar-style camera module for multiple strategic reasons. One of the key advantages of this design is that it creates a more symmetrical and balanced appearance while still preserving Nothing's distinctive transparent aesthetic. A horizontally aligned camera bar can also enhance the overall structural durability of the phone, providing additional reinforcement to the back panel. Moreover, this layout helps minimize wobbling when the device is placed on a flat surface, improving user convenience. Another significant factor is the influence of major tech companies such as Google and Apple, both of which have embraced this camera module design in their flagship devices. By following this trend, Nothing could position its smartphone as a modern and premium offering that aligns with current industry standards. Furthermore, if the brand seamlessly integrates its signature glyph lighting system into the camera bar, it could significantly boost both the device's functionality and its visual appeal. This unique combination would not only differentiate the Nothing Phone 3 from competitors, but also reinforce its identity as an innovative and forward-thinking smartphone. What are your opinions on the Nothing Phone 3? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. On that note, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.